Even after a player dies, I still want to be able to hit the dead body. Because right now we're just going through it. So if a player dies, I try to hit him, nothing happens. I'm going to change that. I'm going to go into the damage detector. And if we look at the part where the character's taking damage, the take damage function, once a player is dead, we're just returning, but we want to do something here. I'm going to press Ctrl T, go into turn on ragdoll, and this is what we want to do to the dead body, add force. Let me create a separate function for this, add force to damaged part. Put this into a function, and then use that. It's basically the same thing. And before we add any force, we want to make the velocity 0. Okay, I'm going to take a look at all of the ragdoll parts. Set the velocity to 0. Not going to do it here. I'm going to cross it out. Basically, we're doing it here in the function instead. I'm going to go back to the damage detector. Now that we have the function, when we hit a dead body, we add force to the damaged part. But we don't want to add multiple forces from a single attack. See what we're doing here. Check for the registered target. And we only register once. So we're only adding force to the target when it's not registered. And then once it is registered, we're not going to do anything. And this list gets cleared on the beginning of each attack. So we're adding force just once to a single target. Save all the code. I'm going to go back and try to hit a dead body. Okay, kind of hit it at the end of the punch. The force was kind of small. Let me try again. Looks like I still have to polish this a little more, but in this video I'm happy that the register is working fine. And I'll do more in the next one. Thanks for watching.